up, you guys? Thank you for watching another YouTube video. This is my little dog Max. Anyways, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Today's a big day for the WRX. It's finally gonna get a Pro Tune from Brand Tuning. So if you have a CVT and you want to get a Pro Tune, they're a company that tunes CVTs. And today we're gonna see if it actually makes a difference. Currently, right now, I'm just stage 1 with an AXLEBACK, muffler delete from NAMELESS. Let's see, BOOMBA bypass valve and the COBB intake, and just a stage 1 tune from COBB. And I've already bought everything. I bought the tune like 30 minutes ago, and I was talking to them and we figured everything out. And I'm just gonna do the 3 data logs that they said to do. I believe the first one is just driving normally around the neighborhood. Second one is in idle for 2 minutes. And the third one is an actual pull and forth gear. I'm also on Instagram, you guys, if you want to follow me there. My username is going to be in the description below. So if you guys want to go do that, there's some cool pictures of my car there. Anyway, let's get to it and let's go. Start her up. Show you guys how all this process goes down on the computer. So the tuner is basically gonna want 3 data logs: an idle, a cruise, and a wide open throttle and 4th gear in sport sharp mode. And first of all, he's gonna ask you for data logs using the COBB stage 1 map. And okay, so you do your 3 logs, and how you send them is, okay, so let's say data log 13 was my cruise. So you click it, then you want to go to here, click that one. Then for me, I'm gonna put it under documents, double click, and then my AP maps, and then you just put select folder and it's gonna transfer it into that folder. Select folder. So now let's say we go to folders down here, and they already opened it automatically. So documents into my export. So data log 13 is right here. You right click it and you rename them. So you're gonna set it as cruise, and then you're gonna do it for, you're gonna repeat the process for all these other 2 logs. So it'll be idle and then wide open throttle. And that's pretty much it. After that, you just go to your Gmail. Well, that's what I used. And then let's see, I put reply, and then you just put attached files, you click it, and then it automatically takes me to my AP maps folder. And then you just put data log, and then you just push open, and it's automatically gonna download right here. And then after you have that and your other 2 data logs, you just put map that you used. So how that goes down is you basically do the same process. You just have to you have to change over here. You go to maps, and then the one I had was this one for my COBB tune. So you do that, and then just do the same process over here, folder, save it, and then you don't really have to rename that one, and then just go over here, attach files, and it should be there. And you're basically gonna be repeating this process for each revision. So it's gonna take a while to do all this. I'd probably say for the whole Pro Tune process, maybe 5 hours. And it just depends on how fast your tuner responds to you, how fast you're gonna finish all this process. So yeah, that's basically how you send the files. How you receive them is, let's see, okay, so revision 5, I think you just open a new folder, and then you just drag it. Yeah, okay. Okay, since I already had revision 5, it says that if I wanted to rename it. So I'm gonna put exit. And then after that, it's gonna be here in your folder. And then after that, okay, so since it's a map, then since it's already over here in maps, okay, now from here you transfer it, you hold it, and then you just and then it'll say drag files, and then you just let it go. And then it's gonna appear right here, Rev 5. And this is the only way the files are gonna transfer into your access port. Because if you try to do it from the email into the access port manager, it's not gonna let you. And just like that, it's pretty much self-explanatory, guys. It's super easy. Plus, the tuner leads you step by step. So if you have any questions, you could just contact them. Especially Brand Tuning, they reply super fast. I think I took like 3 days to do it. And I think they let you do revisions for up to 30 days if you see something wrong with your car or if something's reading wrong. But yeah, hopefully that helped you guys that want to go Pro Tune too. To compare the speed of the car how it was before, I don't know, I'll probably do 0 to 60s again or something. I don't really want to do this anymore because since it has more horsepower, you could probably damage the transmission, especially from a dig. So I could probably just do a couple races down in Mexico to see how it compares to other cars, and make sure to disconnect your COBB access port correctly from your access port manager and your computer. And that's pretty much it for the work done on the computer for sending and receiving the maps and the revisions and stuff. And if you want to stick around, you can to watch a bit of the process of me doing the revisions and data logs, and feel free to keep watching, guys. Alright guys, before I start these data logs, I changed my settings over here to those. You could pause the video if you need to do that. I got these off of my WRX channel because he did a Pro Tune from Brand Tuning as well. Alright, we're logging. So it just said to keep it calm, so like 3,000 to 400 RPM, just driving around normally. Alright, now for the second data log, and now we're just gonna sit here for 2 minutes with the AC off, and we're just gonna record the idle of the car. Now we're gonna flash the car with this one. So Rev 1, you click it. Okay. Alright, it's going now. So I guess we could shut this down. Okay, now turn off the car. Okay. Let's see if this makes a difference. Supposedly people say it's crazy the difference compared to the COBB stage 1 map, so we'll see right now. Okay, now on position. Okay. Okay, now we wait for 15 seconds. Okay, so now I turn on the car. Now I'm gonna do the 3 data logs again that they say to do. So it would be the cruise, the idle, and then the wide open throttle pull. And honestly, it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. They take you step by step, so it's not confusing at all. And now for this data logging, they said to send it to some other file that they give you, and it should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna just do these data logs right now. So it's 4th gear at 2,000 RPMs. This is the revised tune. I'll put data logging on. All right, I think we're good to go. Okay. Alright guys, so I've done my 3rd revision, and I could say like, wow, this actually is like a lot faster, not gonna lie. 1st gear is crazy fast. Almost all the gears, it changed the whole car significantly. Now I don't even know how much power it has. I'm gonna say like close to 300 horsepower. I don't know how much at the wheel though, but it's significantly faster. I think they closed already for today. However, I don't know, I might have a couple more revisions to do, and I did not expect the revisions to take this long. So if you're gonna do it, make sure you make time for this, because this is not an hour job, you know. This takes time to like send them, and they have to send them back. But yeah, I would say dedicate a whole day to pro tune your car, because it takes time. All right, you guys, everything is done with the car. It had like 8 revisions, I think. So that's probably why you guys see a lot of like data logging. But so far, the car runs great. And yeah, the power is crazy. Like this Pro Tune compared to the COBB Stage 1 tune is not even like a comparison. Like this is so much better. It makes the car so much faster, guys. So like if you guys want to get the Pro Tune, at least go Stage 1. So like me, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the mods I have, at least do those mods and then get the Pro Tune, which you'll feel significant changes. The car is like super fast, guys. You guys don't understand. At least compared to what it is now, it's super fast to what it was then. Thank you so much for watching this far into the video. If you are, I'll try to make a video of some races with some other cars so you guys can see how fast it is compared to them. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.